Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24k on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing the RAVPower 22,000 milliamp iSmart RP PB052 battery. Tried and tested many RAVPower batteries in the past, and they always have very good quality. You can find them on Amazon. So this is their weekly giveaway card and lifetime warranty as well. And then the battery is located in this compartment. And the batteries are definitely getting smaller in size for what they provide. So this is 22,000 milliamps of power. And the iSmart senses on each of the 3 USB ports what power your device needs. So this is halfway full. You get 4 different LEDs. So it has a output capacity of 5.8 total amps, each 2.4 amps from each port there. So that's the RAVPower 22,000 milliamp battery. And then in here they give you some accessories. Like a carrying case and a micro USB charging cable and another micro USB charging cable, so that's nice, and a carry case that fits everything together. This is Chris Roshnot, 24k on Twitter. Thanks for joining me of the unboxing for the iSmart RAVPower 22,000 milliamp battery. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.